How to merge two videos together. So first you will need to download a video editing software such as CapCut, which is basically free. You can search for CapCut and then click on CapCut Desktop. And from here you can click on download for free. And once you've downloaded and installed CapCut, you should open it up and then basically click on create a new project. And once the new project is opened up, you want to import your videos that you want to merge together. So you can either select the videos, all of them, and drag and drop them in the import box here, or you can click on the import box and navigate to your videos and select all of them, which is pretty much the same. Now, once the videos are imported, you want to basically select the first video that should play first. So for example, this one. Click on it and drag it to the timeline while holding the left mouse and wait for it to load up. Now to play the other video right after it, drag the other video and basically drop it right after the first video. It should automatically snap after it. Now if you play this, you should see that the video, when it ends, the other one starts playing immediately. And then you can basically, after attaching all of your videos and doing all of your editing, you can click on the export button, select a path where you want to export it, and then select the resolution, the codec, encoder, the format of the video, the frame rate, and all of that stuff. And then just hit export and wait for it to basically export the video as one piece or one video. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.